morning, everybody. We're not at the lodge now. It is the beginning of another travel series. We are off to go back to Mexico to escape the cold. It is getting cold out here. Nights were pretty cold at the lodge and our season has ended. We are currently at the gas station because that's where adventures start, right here. So follow along. We're going to the US.
Well, here we are again. Hard to believe that summer went as fast as it did. All in all, we had an amazing time working our summer job, and we'll definitely miss all the friends we've made. But we're excited for another adventure. So off we go, time to drive for hours in search of that warm weather again.
Well guys, it's been almost 3 days, 1,900 something kilometers.
978 kilometers.
So just about 2,000 kilometers later. And
we're in Las Vegas.
Yeah, about 100 gallons of diesel. We only had one small issue, and that was, I believe, I haven't checked yet, the heater core broke. We were in the desert yesterday and all of a sudden smoke started pouring in and I stopped, checked, and so I closed the heater core and that stopped the leaking. We're downtown Las Vegas, we're at South Point. If you guys know or need to know for a place to park, we haven't had a problem, but you got to be stealthy, which stealthy in this truck is a lot different than some of you van dwellers. Anyways, we're going to take you guys along and see what we're going to get up to out here.
Here's your lunch, Arthur. And a little sweet treat. After a little lunch and a nap for the little guy, we decided to wander around this part of town for a bit. Las Vegas is known for its bright lights, big entertainment, and endless attractions. But honestly, there isn't a whole lot here that really fits what we enjoy. We usually don't hang around big cities for long anyway, and we already checked out all the touristy spots last year. So today, we're just taking it slow with a little walk around this part of Las Vegas. Well, good morning everybody. We had a good night. Nobody bothered us. Yeah, throughout the whole night. The only thing is there was another truck here that had his engine going, so it was a little noisy, but other than that, no problems. So we're just packing up. We got the truck all packed up, ready to go, so we're gonna hit the road. I think we're going to a campground. I'm not 100% sure. We just need to fill up on some water. Haven't really had a chance to sit back and relax, so we'll take you guys on the road here. Well, we're gonna fill up water, but the water spigot at the campground is closed. I don't know why, but so we're just gonna leave that for another day. We still have enough water, so we don't need it today, but I mean, we thought we were gonna do it anyways. Now we're just gonna go find our spot for the night.
So guys, in typical me fashion, we have trucked on a little too far. We made it to beautiful Lake Havasu City. It is kind of pretty. And I'm going to attempt to do something. Tint the windows, these windows back here. And if I'm successful at it, I want to tint the front windshield. Reason being is, for example, when you drive in a car, you have a dash that kind of goes over and your feet typically are underneath the dash. But here, the sun shines directly onto your feet and it gets pretty warm. Like, it's not hot inside the cab, it's just the sun shining on you is hot. The air conditioning does a great job at keeping you cool. But yeah, just like I said, your feet and your body just gets really hot from the sun. But first, we're gonna do the easy ones. So these ones and these ones, I don't wanna tint these ones because I have tint in my truck and I can't see anything when it's dark out. Zero, zip. So I got 20% tint. It just does not seem like 20% for some reason. I don't know how to do this. So, tried this before, never had patience for it. This is the work that I truly respect people doing, and I know somebody's gonna say, you have to do it from the outside. Yeah, you do, I know. But, like I said, I am not doing this perfectly. I'm attempting this, and if it works out, perfect. If not, which I think I already butchered it right here, just not sticking. Well, we're doing attempt number 2. First of all, didn't have a squeegee, or I did have a squeegee, but it sucked. Second of all, I butchered it. Third, I should have bought a darker tint. So I went to AutoZone, which is conveniently like right here. I bought 22 feet of 5% window tint. Can you believe it? 22 feet, including the install kit, was, and it's premium. It's not like the cheap one I used before. Just 38 bucks. So we can figure out 22 feet worth if we can tint like 4 tiny windows. And if I can, perfect. If not, not happy about it. So, I'm gonna wipe. I should maybe get a different type of cloth as well. Okay, let's wipe this. Wowza. All you guys that do window tint, respect, I gotta tell you. Because stuff ain't easy, especially in a stupid wind. Very frustrated, as you guys can tell. But I need to figure out what is the inside and what is the outside. So, like this, like this, like that. Here's my squeegee that I came with. This stuff seems to be easier to work with. I must have gotten the cheapest crap ever before. This actually sticks. So after I cut it, I took this clear layer off. That's where the glue backing is held from, gluing right away. And then now I am trying to get all the air bubbles out. Like I said, I have tinted before, and you know how I tinted? I attempted to tint, and then I let a professional do it. See that? I don't know if it'll go away if you heat it. There's like a line in the tint. So I guess when you crease it like that, it is no bueno. So, attempt number 3 starts now. If I cannot get it with 22 feet of it, and I'm dying here. It is so hot. The sun is directly shining at me. Then I will not attempt it again. Well, attempt number 3 was successful. So that's that, and then look how clear that one is. I I don't think I'm capable of doing the whole windshield, to be honest with you. I'm very incapable to do this on the windshield. However, I am thinking of just doing a brow. I think a brow will do it, kind of like, I don't know, 12-inch brow like this. That should keep most of the stuff away, and then the other one I'll do is these ones, 5% on these, and then I'll do 20% on the side glass. I don't know if you guys knew, but our driver's side still has a Lexan glass, and I need to replace that with a real glass window. So any of y'all LMTV owners, I have reached out to the one on the company that makes these windows, which is Omni Glass. For some reason never got a response back. I might try that again, but yeah, I'd love to have 20% on the sides.
Look at that window. Look how good that looks now. All of them were like that, or just like somewhat like that. It'd be so nice, because right now we're like driving like billboard almost. Like everybody can see inside. That one, you can see everything inside. So yeah, one more to go and then it will look good. So while Arthur does that, gotta keep the kid occupied somehow. So I just have a spray bottle and he's been spraying the whole truck, just cleaning it. So he's just waiting for me to give him to him. We're gonna have a nice clean truck after this. Well, that window's now done, so
Didn't work out.
it's good enough though.
Literally a corner right here. But I'm gonna redo it tomorrow. Good enough for today because I can't see anything.
Yeah, the sun has gone down. It's no longer up. And I think it's time for dinner and bed. Because I'm hungry and tired.
You got striped like this, Jenna?
Yeah.
Be good.
Just that, yeah. Okay, so for dinner I just have some pork chops that I've been marinating for a few hours now. So we'll have that. And I'm just gonna make some potatoes and salad with it and then call it a night. Stir it up, throw it in the air fryer. Yummy. So put that on the table.
Well guys, food's all ready. Pretty excited to eat some, what is it?
Pork chops?
Pork chops. Didn't expect to be in Lake Havasu City. Literally like 4 days since we left. However, it feels nice, like I was just outside grilling in a t-shirt. I can't remember the last time I could do that, which probably been about 2 months ago. We're gonna end this video here. It's been quite action-packed driving couple days, and I think we're gonna check out the area here tomorrow because we got a scenic spot at Walmart. Please subscribe, it does help the channel out. Hit that like button, notification. I'm exhausted, so we'll see you on the next video.